Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Like I promised in my last video, today I'm going to be using the 6 new limited edition shades from Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Neon collection to do a fun rainbow Dotticure nail art design. If you missed my last video, I swatched all 6 polishes from the collection, so you can watch that by clicking the link in the corner of your screen right now, or I'll also leave a link in the description box below. First, I'm starting off with Sally Hansen's Get Mod, which is a white cream polish from their Miracle Gel line, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this as my white base for this nail art design. Then I'm going to use a small dotting tool from NAILSTUFF.CA, and I'm going to paint my first column of dots in rainbow order. I'm starting with Floresc-Pink, then Squeeze the Day, then Sunshine On, then Electri-lime, and finally Chill Out. And if I had longer nails, I would add one more dot for Feelin Grape, which is the purple polish in the collection. I'll work outwards from that first column of dots, keeping the same rainbow order, and for the columns on the right, I'm shifting them half a row down so that the pink dot is in between the pink and orange dot, the orange dot is in between the orange and yellow dot, etc. And for the columns on the left, I'm shifting that half a row up so the orange dot is in between the pink and orange dot, the yellow dot is in between the orange and yellow dot, and etc. And once I have the first diagonal line of dots, that makes it a lot easier to line up the rest of the colors. I was able to fit in a couple purple dots, but if you have longer or shorter nails, you can always adjust the spacing between your dots, or you can add fewer or more colors to your Dotticure. Finally, I sealed in this design with Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel top coat, and here is the finished rainbow Dotticure nail art design. So that's all for today's quick and easy nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Again, if you missed the swatch video of the new limited edition shades in Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Neon collection, be sure to check out my last video, which I'll link on your screen and in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!